Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property and welcome to 4 Conifer Court in Peregian Springs. This courtside single level home was designed and built by the owners 6 years ago and it's as neat as the day that they moved in. What really struck me about the home is the amount of living space on offer. The generous sized media flows into the kitchen, dining and living, and then outside into the alfresco and backyard. Thanks so much for watching. What you may not be aware of is we're just a short 7-minute ride from the beach access of Peregian Beach National Park. This fantastic location and home needs to be seen to be appreciated, and I look forward to meeting you at the next open home.